Have you ever felt like you're all thumbs when trying a new task? This common English idiom can be confusing for non-native speakers, but it's an important one to master. Let me share a funny story that shows what it means to be all thumbs. My friend Sarah tried to assemble new furniture but kept dropping screws and assembling parts incorrectly. "I'm such a klutz. I'm all thumbs today," she exclaimed in frustration. So, what does it mean to be all thumbs? This idiom describes someone who is clumsy or awkward, especially when trying to do a task that requires dexterity and coordination. The idiom all thumbs dates back to at least the 16th century, based on the idea that if all your fingers were thumbs, you would lack dexterity. Now let's see the idiom used correctly. My friend Tom was trying to wrap a present, but the paper kept ripping and the tape wouldn't stick. "Ugh, I'm all thumbs today. I can never wrap gifts neatly," he sighed. But with a little patience, he finally got the present looking presentable. Here are some examples of how to use "I'm all thumbs" in different contexts. Casual: "Sorry, I spilled my coffee, I'm all thumbs this morning." Formal: the surgeon admitted he felt all thumbs during the delicate procedure. Negative: "I'm all thumbs when it comes to technology, so I always struggle with new gadgets." Humorous: "My attempts at knitting ended up looking like a tangled web, I'm such an all thumbs crafter." Literary: with clumsy, all thumbs fingers, she fumbled to open the lock on the old trunk. Business: the new employee seemed all thumbs during the presentation, making several mistakes. Social media: "Ugh, I'm all thumbs on this new phone, I can't even type a coherent tweet." To remember the meaning of "I'm all thumbs," picture someone trying to do a delicate task with oversized, unwieldy thumbs. This visual image can help you recall the idea of being clumsy and lacking dexterity. The idiom "I'm all thumbs" has an interesting history. The exact origin is uncertain, but it likely relates to the perceived difficulty of performing delicate tasks when one's thumbs feel too large or unwieldy. Over time, the idiom has become a common way to express frustration with one's own lack of coordination or skill. Some similar idioms include butterfingers, two left feet, and ham-handed. Opposite idioms would be deft, nimble-fingered, or light-handed. Related expressions include clumsy, awkward, and inept. For example, you could say "I'm all thumbs when it comes to sewing," or rephrase it as "I'm very clumsy and lack the dexterity needed for sewing." I remember when my friend Jenna was trying to wrap a birthday present for her mom. She kept fumbling with the tape and the paper kept ripping. "I'm so all thumbs today," she exclaimed. But she kept at it, and the final result looked great. Her mom appreciated the effort, even with a few imperfections. A common mistake is to say "I'm all fingers and thumbs," which is redundant since all thumbs already implies clumsiness. Another misunderstanding is thinking all thumbs literally refers to the size of one's thumbs. It's not about physical size, but rather a feeling of clumsiness and lack of dexterity. It's also worth noting that the phrase "all fingers and thumbs" is a common variant, especially in British English, and expresses the same meaning. Finally, "I'm all thumbs" is often misused in a context where the person is skilled, when it should be used to describe a lack of coordination or ability. Let's test your understanding of "I'm all thumbs." 1. What does the idiom "I'm all thumbs" mean? A. I have large, thick thumbs. B. I am clumsy and lack dexterity. C. I am an expert at delicate tasks. Answer: B. 2. Which of these is a synonym for "I'm all thumbs"? A. I'm deft. B. I'm nimble-fingered. C. I'm a klutz. Answer, C. 3. Which of these is an antonym for I'm all thumbs? A. I'm ham-handed. B. I'm light-handed. C. I'm butterfingers. Answer, B. In summary, I'm all thumbs is a common English idiom that describes someone who is clumsy and lacks dexterity, especially when attempting a task that requires coordination and precision. Understanding this idiom can help you communicate more effectively in English and avoid misunderstandings. Now it's your turn. Try using the idiom I'm all thumbs in a sentence about a time when you felt clumsy or awkward. Share your examples in the comments below. And be sure to like and subscribe for more English idiom lessons.
Beyond that, I'm kind of helpless. I'm all thumbs, and my wife sees me put on the tool belt, she dials 911.